Hello everyone. So today's QCA topic is describe a person who enjoys cooking for another person. You have to say who this person is, how do you know him or her, what kinds of food do he or she cook, and explain why you think he or she enjoys cooking for others. So let's discuss sample answer of this cue card. Cooking is an art and also a profession for some people. Some people love to cook food. Here I'm going to talk about Mrs. Sushma Rani. She loves to cook food. She is none other than my mother. That is why I know her very well. Her passion for cooking extends to a variety of cuisines, including Punjabi, Gujarati, South Indian, Chinese, Italian, and more. Every year, she starts the new year on a sweet note by preparing a delightful dessert called gulab jamun. During Punjabi festivals in April, she prepares sweet yellow rice for our entire family and also makes extra food to distribute to the less fortunate children in our society. On my birthday, she surprises me with a homemade cake along with a traditional Gujarati dish called poha. On the biggest festival named Diwali, she makes a lot of food which includes Indian sweet dishes named as halwa, laddu, barfi and also gulab jamun. I have known my mother's love for cooking since my earliest memories. She not only enjoys experimenting with new recipes but also finds immense satisfaction in seeing others enjoy her creations. When she sees people savoring her food and praising her culinary skills, it fills her with an unparalleled sense of happiness and fulfillment. To her, cooking is not just about preparing meals, it's about spreading joy and bringing people together through the universal language of food. One of the reasons why my mother enjoys cooking for others is deeply rooted in our family's values and traditions. In our culture, sharing food is considered a gesture of love and hospitality. It's a way of nurturing relationships and showing care for others. My mother embodies this belief wholeheartedly and she takes great pride in being able to provide nourishment and happiness through her cooking. Moreover, my mother's passion for cooking stems from her innate talent and creativity in the kitchen. She approaches cooking as an art form, combining flavors, textures, and colors to create dishes that not only taste delicious but also look visually appealing. For her, the kitchen is like a canvas, and each dish is an opportunity to showcase her skills and express her love for cooking. Beyond the joy of cooking for her family and friends, my mother also harbors dreams of sharing her culinary talents with a wider audience. She often talks about her desire to open her own restaurant, where she can introduce people to the diverse flavors of Indian cuisine and showcase her unique cooking style. For her, running a restaurant is not just about business, it's about fulfilling her lifelong dream of sharing her passion for food with others and creating memorable dining experiences. In conclusion, Mrs. Sushma Rani is a compassionate and talented individual who finds immense pleasure in cooking for others, whether it's preparing traditional dishes for our family gatherings or sharing her creations with the less fortunate in our community. Her love for cooking know no bounds. Her passion, creativity, and desire to spread joy through food are truly inspirational, and I feel grateful to have her as my mother. Hope you like this cue card. Thank you so much.